Alright, there's one of the helicopter stands I made. To land the helicopter on there, it just hooks onto the railing anywhere. I've hooked it on way up there, but when I miss, the helicopter falls all the way down and crashes pretty hard. So I think we'll be practicing at this slightly lower level. It's still pretty tall. And then there is the other helicopter stand, which also just hooks on very easily. You can take it on and off. And that one's a lot of fun too. It's pretty cool to land it up there. I've also tried landing on the fan blades themselves, but that's a little bit trickier since they're at an angle. I haven't actually successfully made it land on there, but maybe someday. So that's the idea. The helicopter flies pretty well around the room. Pretty neat to have these little stands here. I might make another one, we'll see. They're really easy to make and it's a lot of fun to land. So that's kind of our helicopter flying zone. And it's pretty fun to experiment with the landing zones. Okay, what we're going to do is land the remote control helicopter on that nice helicopter stand. I'm not going to show you the more advanced stand over there. Landing on it, that's really hard to land on. This one's not too bad. We're going to take off from that stool. So let's get the camera in place back here so you can see. It's about right. This is the little helicopter. Cat loves it. Turn it on. Trim a little bit there. And that's how you land the helicopter on the advanced platform. Yay, let's get it back down now. Coming in for videotaping. Whoa! Must be a draft there. It's a downdraft.